I kind of always amaze myself. I started off on the path next to the waterfall and the river, and now I live too much in the woods. I'm very comfortable just wandering. Oh my god. Hopefully this path road thing takes me somewhere. I saw a sign. It was something that I wanted to see anyway. We're on the McKenzie River, near the headwaters. Headwaters area of McKenzie River. So we're going to go see that. Kusa Falls and maybe Swahili. I don't know. It's a little walk down that way. Oh no, that's pretty. Alright, let's walk down this trail. Oh my gosh. That's a gorgeous waterfall. Oregon really knows how to make things look pretty, huh? Oh. Go to the top of the falls. So cool. My phone will not capture that beautiful aquamarine blue color of the water. Man, the amount, the power of the force, wow. Oh my. I can't get out there any closer. I'm not walking on that log. The water's deep. Climb back up this hill. Wow. This is stumps. Wow. I kind of always amaze myself. I started off on the path next to the waterfall and the river, and now okay, I found the path. Yeah, I don't know. What does this guy say? Oh. You ready for the good view, guys? Wow. What waterfall is this? Pretty one, that's for sure. Well, that was a pretty cool stop to Kusa Falls. Yeah. Where are we? We're in somewhere, Oregon. We're in the Willamette National Forest. Yeah, that was a pretty cool, both temperature-wise and visually, stop at Kusa. So, let's keep going. I got some more interesting things. Alright, so instead of taking a hike to the next waterfall, I just drove, because literally it's a quarter mile down the road. So let's check out Swahili Falls. Okay, start walking down this path and see Swahili Falls. Nope, I'm gonna show you the bridge. You get the bridge. That's all you get. You know the waterfall's behind me. That's a pretty cool waterfall. I like the little guy off on the side. So reading from the signs, this feeds the last waterfall that we were at, which feeds a third one that I didn't go to today. But the first waterfall is from a different lava flow than this one. So that one, and then this one, and oh, so cool. Alright, so, I mean, I think that's pretty cool. The water just goes back in the ground. But where does it go? Oh man. Looks like you're gonna have to keep watching, because I'm gonna find out. I don't know. I don't think I'm actually gonna find out. But the next spot's pretty cool. Just like this spot. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Well, guys, if you made it this far through the video, I totally appreciate you, and I thank you. For real, you just watched the whole video. Yeah, this is going to be my standard end screen for a little bit. Like buttons, ding bells, subscribe hits. Yeah, because I know you probably aren't subscribed to me. So, yeah, hit the button, see what else I get up to. Yeah, alright guys, till the next time. I don't know, maybe that one's me and that one's what YouTube thinks you should see. Bye.